we were introduced to yesterday were dissimilar, focus, and function. Two sports I like that are dissimilar are blank and blank. Think of two sports that you guys like that are very dissimilar. Great. Two sports that I like that are dissimilar are football and soccer. They're dissimilar because one, you are handling a ball with your hands and throwing it, and the other one, you're kicking it with your feet. How might you feel if you walked into a crowded room and all the people focused their attention on you? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself using this sentence frame to complete your thought. If all the people focus their attention on me, I might feel... Right. I don't know about you, but if I walked into a very crowded room and all of a sudden all the people focus their attention on me, I might feel like something just happened, or even a little bit nervous because now all these people are staring at me. So we're going to play a game, What's the Missing Word? I'm going to read a sentence to you that has a word missing. You have to decide which of the vocabulary words is the missing word and why you think so. Let's look at the first example. So we're choosing between dissimilar, focus, and function. When I wake up in the morning, I try to get my sleepy eyes to blink. What's the missing word? Why do you think so? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself, I think blank is the missing word because... Excellent. If you said the word focus, you are correct. If you wake up in the morning, your eyes are probably not very focused and you try to get yourself to wake up and your eyes to focus. The next example, even though they are twins, Becky and Brienne are blank because they have very different personalities. What's the missing word? Again, if you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. If you said dissimilar, you are correct. I think dissimilar is the missing word because even though they're twins, which means you might think they are the same, they're very different because they have different personalities, and I know dissimilar means not similar or different. The next example, the blank of the president is to lead the country. What is the missing word? Why do you think so? You can turn and talk or think to yourself. I agree. I think function is the missing word because I know that function means the role or the job of someone, and I know that the function or the job or the role of the president is to lead our country. Let's look at the last example. Today we will blank on finding a solution to the problem. What's the missing word? You can turn and talk or think to yourself. I think the missing word is blank because... Perfect. So if you said the word function, you are correct. Remember, this is a multiple meaning word. However, in this example, we're talking about paying close attention to or using our focus, our attention on finding the solution to the problem. So let's take a closer look at the word dissimilar. We said that this is an antonym or an opposite of the word similar, and this word includes the prefix dis or dis. A prefix, just again, boys and girls, as a reminder, it is a letter or a group of letters that is added at the beginning of a word to make a new word. The prefix dis means not or the opposite of. So when it is added to the word similar, it means not similar or not alike. So let's look at a few examples of words. Agree, comfort, connect, interest, disobey, or obey, rather. And if we add the word dis to that, now we're going to have the opposite words. Disagree, discomfort, disconnected, disinterested, and disobey. That wraps up day 2. We'll see you back tomorrow for day 3.